Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Seafret, Running Out of Love. So this is about holding relationships together. And yeah, just a beautiful line there. Just tell me how to love you better. So what a great message there. So Seafret, Running Out of Love. It's about 4 chords. No need for any cape on this one. Alright, so let us go over the chords first. So we'll start with the B minor. Okay, so that's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So from bottom up, 5 strings. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. The next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord, D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, so B minor, G, D, and A, that's what we're going to work with. So B minor will be the first chord. We will look at the strumming pattern with the B minor. So one round will be down, up, clap, up. Okay, so that is one round. Down, up, clap, up. So a couple rounds of that with B minor will sound like this. So when you do the last up there, just some technique stuff there, you don't have to go like all the way up like this. You just turn your thumb or so and hit the B and E string as well, or so, just a small turn like that. So down, up, clap, up, just wrist move there. All right, so yeah, the chord progression for the first verse will be B minor, G, D, and A, in the order we learned the chords. And you will have 2 strumming rounds per chord. So 2 B minors, G, G, D, D, A, like that, okay? That was 2 rounds. You're gonna play 4 rounds of this chord progression, and that will be the first verse. That takes us to the first pre-chorus in the lyrics, so many try, so many fall. You're just gonna continue in the same way here. B minor 2 times, G 2 times, D 2 times, and A 2 times of the strumming. You go for 2 rounds of that, and that will be your pre-chorus. And that takes us to the chorus. In the lyrics, don't say you're running out of love. Okay, so here we'll turn a little bit in the chord progression here. It will be D to B minor to A to G. You will play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and you will play just 1 down per chord. So D, B minor, A, and G. So for 2 rounds, D, B minor, A, and G. Then you're gonna play on the 3rd round the B minor, G, D, and A in the same way as you play the verse and pre-chorus with the strumming. So two strumming rounds per chord there, B minor, G, D, and A. That's the 3rd round. And the 4th and final round, this chorus is about 4 chord progression rounds. You go back to the D, B minor, A, and G 1 time, or 1 down per chord. So that will end the first chorus there. So just to summarize this, it's about 4 rounds. So the first 2 rounds will be D, B minor, A, and G, 1 down per chord. The 3rd round, you go back to the strumming with the chord progression B minor, G, D, and A in the same way as the verse and pre-chorus. And then on 4th round, you play in the same way as the first 2 rounds here in this course, the D, B minor, A, and G, 1 down per chord. Great. So now comes pretty much repetition. Second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus. Everything there will be played in the same way as the first round. So nothing changes there. And then we have just one outro part, okay? It's in the lyrics, how to love you, and that will be repeatedly throughout the end of the song here. So how to handle this? Okay, we have the chord progression here, starting with G, D, A, and B minor. You will play 4 downs per chord, so G, D, A, and B minor. Okay? Then we have the next chord progression. It differs a little bit from now on. So you're gonna play G, B minor, D, and A. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, but the first round out of this G, B minor, D, and A, you're just gonna continue the same way as you played now, 4 downs per chord. So G, 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 B minor, B minor, B minor, B minor, D 4 times, and A 4 times. And then you're gonna keep this chord progression here, G, B minor, D, and A, but you're gonna play with the strumming for the next 3 rounds. Okay, so strumming in next 3 rounds. And then on the final round, you're just gonna end with 1 down for the following chords, G, A, and G. And that will end this beautiful song from Seafret, Running Out of Love. So what a great song, and easy to play as well. You will get pretty much familiar with these 4 chords in different orders and so. But yeah, give it a try, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.